बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू इंटेंसिव स्टडी। आज के लेक्चर में हम करंट अफेयर्स करेंगे मार्च के मंथ के। हम नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल तमाम अहम अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करेंगे। आज के लेक्चर में हम जो भी लर्न करेंगे इसकी पीडीएफ फाइल आपको टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में मिल जाएगी, जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में गिवन है। वीडियो को एंड तक देखें। अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे न्यू हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिलते रहें। लेक्चर शुरू करते हैं। According to the Forbes magazine, who is currently the world's most powerful person in 2021? Xi Jinping. As per the 10th edition of Hern Global Rich List 2021, which country has the highest number of billionaires? China. According to the 10th edition of Hern Global List 2021, China leads with the highest number of billionaires at 1058, followed by the US and India. The index also highlighted that the world added 8 billionaires a week in 2020. The total wealth of all billionaires across the globe rose 32% during the review period. Which country is the largest funder of the World Health Organization or WHO? United States. Recently, who has been elected as a new party leader of Scottish Labour Party? Anas Sarwar. Anas Sarwar is a Scottish politician who has served as leader of the Scottish Labour Party since 2021. He has been a member of Scottish Parliament for the Glasgow region since 2016. Having been a member of Parliament for Glasgow Central from 2010 to 2015, Scottish Labour named Anas Sarwar as their new leader on February 27, 2021, ahead of an election for the country's 12th Parliament in May. Who is the first UAE envoy to Israel? Mohammed Al-Haja. Israel's president on March 2, 2021, formally received the first ever ambassador from the United Arab Emirates to the Jewish state. Following last year's agreement between the countries to normalize ties, Mohammed Al-Haja, the UAE envoy, arrived in Israel on Monday, March 1, 2021. What's the name of 66-year-old man who becomes world's oldest ice mile swimmer? Gert Purcell. Which country will host Asian Boxing Championship 2021? India. International Boxing Association on Monday, March 15, 2021, announced that Asian Boxing Championship 2021 will be hosted by New Delhi, India from May 21 to 31st, 2021. Who is the current and first female president of Tanzania? Samia Suluhu Hassan. Samia Suluhu Hassan is a Tanzanian politician who is serving as the 6th president of Tanzania. She took office on March 19, 2021 after the death of the previous president, John Magufuli, 2 days earlier. An annual UN-sponsored report said on March 19, 2021, which country is the world's happiest country? Finland. COVID-19 has done little to alter the ranking of the world's happiest countries, with Finland at the top of the 4th year running, an annual UN-sponsored report said on March 19, 2021. Which country was the world's most polluted capital for the 3rd straight year in 2020? New Delhi. New Delhi was the world's most polluted capital for the 3rd straight year in 2020, according to IQ Air, a Swiss group that measures air quality levels based on the concentration of lung-damaging airborne particles known as PM2.5. Eco-freight train to resume operations after a gap of 9 years. After a gap of 9 years or so, the Istanbul Islamabad freight train is likely to resume operations on March 4, connecting goods train business of 3 countries, Turkey, Iran and Pakistan. The container train would start its journey from Istanbul, Turkey, for Islamabad, Pakistan, via Zahedan on March 4. Though the schedule will be reconfirmed in a day or two, so far March 4 is the final date of departure of the train from Istanbul. He Ranjha star Ijaz Durrani passed away on which date? March 1st, 2021. Ijaz Durrani, known mononymously as Ijaz, was a Pakistani film actor, director, and producer, active from 1956 to 1984. Popular veteran film hero Ijaz Durrani passed away here at the age of 86. In which city Prime Minister Imran Khan will launch a tourism project Al Biruni Radius, Jhelum. Aiming at the revival of Pakistan's heritage, Prime Minister Imran Khan launched Al Biruni Radius, a tourism project in Jhelum. The historical Nandana Fort is located in Tehsil Pind, Dadan Khan of district Jhelum. Who becomes first Pakistani Sikh to win Senate election from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? Gurdeep Singh. Pakistan's minority leader Gurdeep Singh became the first turban-clad Sikh representative from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province to be elected to the country's upper house of the parliament. Gurdeep Singh from Pakistan's ruling Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf party defeated rival candidates on a minority seat by a huge margin in the Senate elections, making him the first visibly Sikh national leader in the Senate. Which country is the host of the multinational exercise Desert Flag? UAE. Exercise Desert Flag is a multinational exercise which is to be held in the United Arab Emirates. 10 countries are to take part in this exercise, including India, France, and the US. This exercise will be held for 3 weeks this month. Which country has launched the satellite Arktika M? Russia. The Russian Space Agency has launched its satellite Arktika M. This satellite is intended to monitor the climate in the Arctic region. In the recent past, Russia has been taking keen interest in exploring Arctic region and is seeking to develop the energy-rich region of the nation's developmental interest. Recently, Malala Yousafzai has partnered with Dash to produce dramas, documentaries. Apple. Nobel Peace Prize winner Malala Yousafzai has partnered with Apple Inc. to produce several new programs, including dramas, children's series, and documentaries that would air to the tech-gained streaming service. Israel Aerospace Industries IAI said on March 11, 2021, it would jointly develop an advanced drone defense system with the UAE. Israel Aerospace Industries said on March 11, 2021, it would jointly develop an advanced drone defense system with the United Arab Emirates state-owned weapons maker Edge. Israel and the UAE formalized relations last year, brought closer by commercial interest and concern or Iran. Recently, Turkey and Daesh hold its first diplomatic contact since 2013. Egypt. Turkey on March 12, 2021 said it had established its first diplomatic contacts with Egypt since 2013 and was ready to improve relations with other rivals as it seeks to break its isolation. Recently, which country inaugurated a new underground facility designated for missile storage? Iran. Iran's Parliamentary Revolutionary Guard on March 15, 2021 inaugurated a new underground facility designated for missile storage. US Japan warned which country on Korean destabilizing behavior? China. The United States and Japan warned China against what they call Korean and destabilizing behavior on March 16, 2021, after top-level diplomatic and defense talks aimed at bolstering their alliance against rising Chinese influence. Which country has formally re-signed the Paris Climate Agreement recently? USA. The United States of America has officially re-signed the Paris International Climate Pact recently. Earlier, the USA, under former President Donald Trump's leadership quit the agreement and remained outside the pact for 107 days. With the change in government in the USA led by Joe Biden, the US decided to rejoin the Paris Pact. Recently, Facebook blocked Dash users from sharing and viewing news content on its popular social media platform, Australian. Facebook would be subject to the proposed code and be required to pay publishers if news content was posted on its website. It could be hit with penalties if, while it is subject to the code, it allowed news content from some publishers not part of the code while blocking others. This means Facebook would not be able to just block Australian publishers who are participating in the court, but would need to block all news content from Facebook. China moved on Daesh to grant itself veto power over selecting Hong Kong's lawmakers on March 5, 2021. China moved on March 5, 2021 to grant itself veto powers over selecting Hong Kong's lawmakers, part of a campaign to eliminate dissent and ensure a patriotic government in the city following huge democracy rallies in 2019. Legislation to allow China's communist rulers to vet all election candidates in Hong Kong was tabled at the opening of the nation's double-stem parliament in Beijing. US President Joe Biden has inducted a third Pakistani American into his team named Dilawar Saeed. US President Joe Biden has inducted a third Pakistani American, Dilawar Saeed, into his team, says a White House media statement. Mr. Saeed will serve as the Deputy Administrator of the Small Business Administration if confirmed by the US Senate. Pakistan's first female television host, Kamal Nasir, passed away on which date? On March 25, 2021. She was 70 years of her age. Recently, Pakistan conducted a successful flight test of which ballistic missile Shaheen 1A. Pakistan on March 26, 2021 conducted a successful flight test of Shaheen 1A surface-to-surface ballistic missile having a range of 900 kilometers. The test flight was aimed at revalidating various design and technical parameters of the weapon system, including advanced navigation system. The Shaheen 1A was fired on 25th April 2012. PIA flight lands at Seydou Sharif Airport after how many years? 17 years. Pakhtunkhwa Chief Minister Mahmood Khan on March 26, 2021 said that the resumption of flights to Seydou Sharif after 17 years was an achievement of the government as it was long-standing desire of the people of Swat Valley. India's first undersea tunnel is being constructed in which city? Mumbai. India's first undersea tunnel city is constructed in Mumbai as a part of the coastal road project of the city. It's expected to be completed by the year 2023. The twin tunnel have a length of 2.07 km, of which around a kilometer will be under the Arabian Sea. The undersea tunnel will be 20 meters below the seabed. India's private airline Indigo made an emergency landing on 2nd March 2021 in which country? Pakistan. An Indian commercial flight made an emergency landing at Karachi Dina Terminal International Airport on Tuesday, March 2, 2021. After a passenger on the aircraft fell ill, the aircraft of India's private airline Indigo was en route from Sharjah to Lucknow when a medical emergency was reported on board. Which university in Pakistan developed testing kits for detecting COVID-19? NUST. On 2nd March 2021, Pakistan and China virtually celebrated their Daesh anniversary of diplomatic ties, 70th. Pakistan Senate election 2021 to be held on which date? March 3, 2021. The 2021 Pakistani Senate election will be held on 3rd March 2021. The Election Commission of Pakistan will announce the election schedule on 11th of February 2021. 52 of the 104 senators will be retiring on 7th February 2021 after the merger of the federally administrative tribal areas with Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. FATA seats will be abolished and there will be no election on 4 of the 8 seats. The rest of the 4 seats will also not be renewed in 2024. And opposition candidate Yusuf Raza Gilani won the hotly contested general seat from Daesh, beating PTI's Abdul Hafiz Sheikh, Islamabad. In a blow to the government, the joint opposition candidate Yusuf Raza Gilani won the hotly contested general seat from Islamabad, beating PTI's Abdul Hafiz Sheikh. According to unofficial and unverified results, Gilani won 169 votes, while Sheikh bagged 164 votes. 7 votes cast for the general seat from Islamabad were rejected. In Senate election 2021, PTI bagging how many new seats in Senate Pakistan? 18 new seats. The HBL Pakistan Super League 6 was indefinitely postponed on March 4, 2021. The HBL Pakistan Super League 6 was indefinitely postponed on March 4, 2021 after 3 more players reported positive for coronavirus, taking the total of affected cases to 7 so far in the franchise-based T20 league, with further casualties like to emerge as the tests are carried out. Which country has been elected to the chair of Committee on Trade and Development (CTD) of the World Trade Organization for 2021? Pakistan. Pakistan has been elected to the chair of Committee on Trade and Development of the World Trade Organization for 2021. KPK government on March 9, 2021 signed contract agreement with the Chinese company for construction of Dash MW Balakot hydropower project 300 megawatt. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government March 9, 2021 signed contract agreement with the Chinese company for the construction of 300 megawatt Balakot hydropower project. The 300 megawatt project, the biggest ever project of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, would be constructed with an estimated cost of rupees 85 billion in a period of 6 years with the financial assistance of the Asian Development Bank. Who is the current Deputy Chairman of the Senate? Mirza Muhammad Afridi. The newly elected Deputy Chairman of the Senate, Mirza Muhammad Afridi, is the first parliamentarian from the federally administrative tribal areas to occupy the coveted post in Parliament. Hailing from Khyber Tribal District, Mirza Afridi was elected member of the Senate as an independent candidate in the 2018 elections. Pakistan on March 15, 2021 observed the Dash International Day to combat Islamophobia. First, Pakistan on March 15, 2021 joined the Organization of Islamic Cooperation in observing the first International Day to combat Islamophobia at a meeting of the OIC Foreign Minister held on November 27 last year in Niamey, Niger. Pakistan presented a resolution to designate March 15 as the International Day to combat Islamophobia. The resolution was unanimously adopted by the OIC Foreign Minister. The OIC is now working with the international community to commemorate the day at the global level. According to the latest report released by SIPRI, which country remained the main recipient of Chinese arms? Pakistan. According to the latest report released by the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute or SIPRI, the report Trends in the International Arms Transfers 2020 says Pakistan remained the main recipient of Chinese arms and accounted for 38 pc of Chinese arms exports in 2016 to 2020. Pakistan has been ranked as the Dash most polluted country by IQ Air Global Air Quality Report. Second, Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmad Babar Sidhu on Dash took over the command of Pakistan Air Force on March 19, 2021. When Prime Minister Imran Khan wins trust vote of confidence of National Assembly in Pakistan on March 6, 2021, 3 days after giving its verdict in favor of opposition's candidate Syed Yusuf Raza Gilani in the hotly contested election on a Senate seat from Islamabad, the National Assembly on March 6, 2021. Pakistan Navy ship with embarked helicopter participated in bilateral exercises with navies of Japan, Oman, Russia and United States named Alamgir. Recently, which country handed over smart metering system to NTDC Pakistan? USA. The United States mission to Pakistan on March 9, 2021 handed over an innovative new metering system to the government to help new network and market operators better manage the national power grid. Recently, which country offered access to Pakistani ports? Uzbekistan. Prime Minister Imran Khan on March 10, 2021 assured Uzbekistan of complete facilitation in access to Pakistani ports. Mr. Khan held out the assurance during a meeting with Uzbekistan's Foreign Minister Dr. Abdul Aziz Kamilov, who was on a 2-day visit to Pakistan. Mr. Khan, according to a statement issued by the Prime Minister office after the meeting, said that Pakistan's Karachi and Gwadar ports could become the gateway to landlocked Central Asia, as Pakistan provided the Central Asian republics the shortest route to international seas. Pakistan, he said, would facilitate Uzbekistan's access to its ports. Muhammad Siddiq Sanjrani on Dash defeated opposition candidate Yusuf Raza Gilani to retain Senate chairmanship for another term on March 12, 2021, in an election that ran into controversy with the detection of spy cameras installed in and around the Senate polling booth even before voting had started. Pakistan's Tehreek-e-Insaf led ruling coalition candidate Muhammad Siddiq Sanjrani on March 12, 2021. Which country will build first ship tunnel? Norway. World's first ship tunnel to be built in Norway. The Norwegian Coastal Administration has received the green signal to start working on the construction of the world's first tunnel, being built exclusively for ships. Who has become the first transgender person to be featured on cover of Time magazine's Elliot Page? Elliot Page, known most prominently for his role in the 2007 Oscar-winning film Juno, has become the first transgender man to be featured on the cover of the Time magazine. Which country is the chair of BRICS 2021? India. For the year 2021, India has assumed the chairmanship of BRICS. Recently, the BRICS Contact Group on Economic and Trade Issues held its first meeting under India's chairmanship from March 9 to 11. The theme of this year BRICS is BRICS at 15, Intra-BRICS Cooperation of our Continuity, Consolidation and Consensus. According to recent figures of IMF, which country has largest foreign exchange reserves in the world? China. Where is the world's largest floating solar farm being built? Singapore. Since Singapore is one of the smallest countries in the world, but it's also among the biggest per capita carbon dioxide emitters in Asia, in a bid to tackle climate change, the country is building one of the world's largest floating solar farms. It has resorted to setting up these energy plants off its coast and on a reservoir. Who is the first cricketer to score 3,000 runs in T20 international matches? Virat Kohli. Which country has recently proposed a UN-sponsored plan to end civil war in Yemen? Saudi Arabia. Which country to host Leaders Summit on Climate Change? USA. On March 27, 2021, Iran and China signed Dash Strategic Cooperation Pact 25-year. Iran and China signed a 25-year Strategic Cooperation Pact on March 27, 2021, in the latest expansion of Beijing's flagship trillion-dollar Belt and Road Initiative as the US rivals build closer ties. Which country to host 9th Heart of Asia Istanbul Process Ministerial Conference? Tajikistan. Pakistan has given another extension to a helicopter deal with Dash, giving 6 more months to deliver the aircraft. Turkey. Which bank is the first Pakistani bank to operate in China? HBL. HBL became the first Pakistani bank to open a branch and serve clients in Beijing, China's capital city. The inauguration ceremony of HBL Beijing was attended by clients, regulators, and senior executives of the bank from across HBL's international network. Deputy Governor, State Bank of Pakistan, Jameel Ahmed, HBL Chairman Sultan Ali Alana. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Dash called on Pakistan to build an environment of trust for better ties. March 23, 2021. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on March 23, 2021 called on Pakistan to build an environment of trust for better ties. As a neighboring country, India desires cordial relations with the people of Pakistan. For this, an environment of trust, devoid of terror and hostility, is imperative. Mr. Modi said in a message to Prime Minister Imran Khan on the occasion of Pakistan Day. He also wished Pakistan well in dealing with the challenges of COVID-19 pandemic. लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच कंट्री रजिस्टर्स वर्ल्ड्स फर्स्ट कोविड वैक्सीन फॉर एनिमल्स? रशिया. Russia announced on March 31st, 2021, it had registered what it said was the world's first coronavirus vaccine for animals, describing the step as important for disrupting virus mutations. आज का टॉपिक यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हुआ. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि आने वाली वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आपको मिलते रहें. थैंक यू.